such a kavod.
Holley Falls. Took a pit stop here to look at Clarendon Falls and a potty break. It's a powerful door. So this is Holley Falls. Let's get a closer look, shall we?
That was so cool! Daddy, now you actually know to not drink the water. That's right here. No, Mom. Whoa!
All right, ready to go? Oh, come on. That's the bird we're talking about right there. Hopefully it catches another fish in front of us so I can get it on camera. Let the journey begin. I could have swore last time we came here, we walked and walked over there, but it was like we had to cross this wooden path right here to get over there.
Can you do it again?
We could try, but it might be too wet. We'll see, we'll see.
I can do it, but.
Well, but I don't even see a path over there anymore. We'll try, all right? Wait. Because I don't know if that wood's gonna even hold us. Let me test it first. All right, it's pretty good.
Not that bad.
No, it's more solid than I anticipated.
Yeah, it is. Come on, Marcia. Come on. Daddy, this looks like a good spot for like a movie. Yeah, that's behind me. Oh. Daddy, we don't have to do that. 3, 2, 6, 4. Let's go. After going.
No, the last time we came here, that bike was there. It fell apart. see his kids horse around and experience life at its best. No toys, no electronics, just fun. And I listen to the beautiful sound of the water. It always brings me back to my memories of my childhood when me and my brother would go on adventures and just wander aimlessly, not knowing what we're doing or where we're going. Well, in my mind, I thought he knew, but he probably didn't know it all either. Just let my kids experience it.
Look, baby. Can you look it? Yes. Can almost do it. Daddy!
Woo! Nice.
Look at me. I need help.
Looks like it's almost the end of the line. Trail no more. Why is Matt trying to go in the water?
This is dicey.
Yeah, I told you, a little dicey. Think this is the end of the line.
What do you mean?
Trees, too many trees are down. Too many trees are down, bud. I don't know what to tell you. Trees are down, end of the line. End of the line, partner.
I think I'm actually going back around.
Yeah, me too. That's what happened last time.
Take my hand. Can I keep this?
What's it say? Woo! One Holley #family. Sure, we'll wash it when we get home or something.
I guess that's all for YouTube on me.
Do you need help coming back over?
No.
Oh, look at you go. Nice. Uh-oh. Dicey, huh? Oh, ninja skills. I don't get it. I don't get why, you know, I take them on these nice adventures and everything, and then they fight over the silliest things. They're fighting over snails, slugs. It's weird. Huh. Oh, hiking uphill. Just seen a chipmunk. Mine's here, he's just ahead of us, moving and grooving. Yeah, we're going left. I think we can go right and look. I think we went this way before and it's just a big field. And then we end up going that way towards the falls. This is the snail they're fighting over. All right, there's a whole bunch of people up there. They're gardening. Ooh, whole bunch of people up there gardening, putting in work. It's a nice day, it's hot out. Last video, I kept hearing myself breathing, like heavy breathing, since I'm rocking the DJI mic. I've been testing it out lately. Oh, watch out, bike mat.
What kind of bird do you think that was?
Not sure. What kind of bird do you think that was? I didn't even see a bird. Did you see a bird?
It's the big one.
You think he's talking about the bird we saw in the beginning?
Yeah. No.
I don't know.
Yeah, I saw him.
You saw that guy on the bike?
Yeah, when we were looking at the boat.
Oh.
Huh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have
Oh, we're gonna be right at the top of the falls.
On top of it?
Yeah, right on top of it. That's why you can hear it, but you can't see it.
So you have to go over there to see it?
No, you'll see it. The louder it gets, the closer we'll be.
It's not really getting loud, but I feel quiet.
Ugh, bug in the nose. What'd you say?
It's getting louder.
Oh.
We almost there. Listen.
We gotta be careful. Let me go first. Very careful. Yeah. Where are you at, Matt?
That's all the way down there.
Yeah.
I didn't see a board in there. The water is blue. And now it's like getting dirty. It's blue and then it's dirty. That's why I have a pen right here.
Uh-huh. All right. Let's head back. We can go this way.
Wait, this is where your canal at?
Yeah, it's called the Erie Canal.
Can we do that one day?
Well, we're doing it right now, actually. We're here.
Why can't, wait, so can't you just, oh, Daddy, wait. Isn't it, this is a dam, right?
Kinda.
Oh. Daddy.
We gotta go to Mount Morris so you can look at that one.
Oh!
It's a woodpecker, guys. Yeah.
Yeah, should I walk with you?
I know we did a lot of walking.
How long does that take to get back?
Not long at all. I could just throw you down the hill and we'll be there.
Wait, for real?
No, there's a path.
Like, is it quick though?
Yeah.
Well, if you go down there.
We will.
Oh.
We were just sitting taking a little break.
Do you have drinks in the car?
Actually, I do have bottles of water.
Bottles of water, thanks. I'm sick of drinking that. Yeah.
In the car.
I'm sick of the drinks we keep having.
Powerade? Yeah, it's expired. Huh?
Oh. Can you not go down there? Wait.
You want to just go down there?
Yeah.
All right.
Can you just throw us down there?
You want me to throw you?
No, wait. Actually, can't we just slide down there?
Let's see.
Can't we just slide down there? It doesn't look that steep.
We could try if you want to.
Okay.
I'm not gonna say no, but if you fall and get hurt, it's not my fault. Whose car are you guys sitting in?
Mine's is squatting. So I can
How you got mud all on your eyes, your face?
Mom, look at mine. He's something good. Look at my head. Or not. Dad, what do we do?
Yeah. Slipping and sliding. Oh my goodness, Malia. see if I could do this. I gotta shorten this. Wait for me, Matt. Wait for me. Wait for me. Oh my, you playing with me? All right, wish me luck, guys. I'm trying without getting all dirty. Watch, Daddy's gonna do it without getting dirty. Look out, I'm gonna come in flying like a rocket. Ooh, Mont went down.
Guys, I did it.
All right. Here I come. Look out, Matt, so I don't run you over. I'm gonna go straight for the tree, then ricochet off the tree, down the rest of the hill. Ricochet, down, almost went down.
Oh my God.
Was that a shortcut or what?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, Matt. Look at them biscuits. Yours too, Pumpkin. You got mud all on your face. I think we had a good adventure today. I think it's time to go back home and eat lunch. All right, we'll see you in a bit.
Now it's just showing it's a booty.
I don't know if you guys can see the deer. I can't even see it on the camera. It blends in so well. But it's right there. See its tail moving? Found a deer.
Hey, dear.
Gone. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Holley Falls, it was great. It was fun. It's always a good time just to be outside. I can't say it enough. Yeah. Think we're gonna go to Mount Morris. We'll see. Stay tuned. All right. Got a little bit of pictures at the end. Other than that, over and out. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.